Hi, I'm so excited about today's episode because I will show you how you can actually turn your creativity into an income. TikTok is bursting with opportunities, and on today's episode, I will dive deep into the top ways on how you can start to make money on TikTok right now. Grab your phone and let's turn those views into an income. First way you can make money on TikTok right now is through the TikTok Creator Rewards program. Whether you are into creating longer top-notch videos or you simply want to turn your creativity into an income, this program is your golden opportunity. The TikTok Creator Rewards program is your gateway to earning money by simply doing what you love, which is to create awesome TikTok content. But before you hit that record button, let us go through what it takes to qualify for this particular program. First, you need to be a citizen or at least be staying in one of these countries: the US, the UK, Germany, France, Brazil, Japan, and South Korea. If you're not staying in any of these countries, don't panic, you can still make money on TikTok through other means which I'll be sharing just after this one. Also, you need to be at least 18 years young, have 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days to qualify for the TikTok Creator Rewards program. So in June of 2023, TikTok unveiled its game-changing feature, which is TikTok Series. TikTok Series isn't just an update, it's your gateway to monetizing your creativity like never before. If you're interested in making money on TikTok Series, then you can apply for access to TikTok Series, but you first have to meet the following criteria. First off, you need to be 18 years old and your account should have been active in the last 30 days. You also need to have 10,000 followers and should have posted 3 videos in the last 30 days, each of those videos attracting at least 1,000 views. But if you're still building on your fan base, don't panic, you can still qualify with just a small follow. Let's talk about what you can create on TikTok Series. You can post up to 80 videos, each video up to 20 minutes long, be it educational content, in-depth tutorials, or behind-the-scenes pics. The opportunities are endless. The best part is you get to set your own price from $1 up to $190. So, if you are ready to take your TikTok game to new heights and educate while you earn, then TikTok Series is your ultimate tool. Now, let's talk about how you can actually make money on TikTok ads, which is our number 3 on the list of ways of making money on TikTok. 67% of 18 to 19-year-olds and 56% of 20 to 29-year-olds are scrolling on TikTok on a daily basis. This is why TikTok marketing is a goldmine for brands who want to reach on a younger generation. TikTok ads is a game changer, and here's why. First up, you've got powerful tools at your fingertips. TikTok ads allows you to do your targeting according to age, interest, location, and more. You can also do in-feed video ads, brands takeovers, and hashtag challenges. It also offers additional ad types for you to explore, each tailored according to your own brand's messaging. Whether you're launching a new product, boosting brand awareness, or driving conversions, TikTok ads allows you the flexibility to choose the format that aligns best with your marketing goal. Now let's talk about the last method of making money on TikTok, which is to sell your own product. Selling your merchandise isn't just a strategy, but it's a game changer on TikTok. Whether you are selling artwork, or you are selling clothing, or you are selling cakes, or you are selling cosmetics, turning creations into products, it's a great way of connecting with your audience and boosting your earnings. But how do you make money on TikTok selling products? First, you need to know what your audience is interested in buying. Ask questions, engage with your audience, create polls, find out what they might be interested in buying, and offer it to them. If you are using a personal account, consider setting up an e-commerce store. Promote your store in your TikTok videos, feature your products alongside your tutorials, or showcase them alongside trending videos so you can boost your visibility. If you are using a business account, then you have more options. Connect platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, and Equid to your TikTok account for easy transactions and increased sales trade. If you are ready to transform your passion into profit or reach global audience right from your phone, then start selling your products on TikTok today. There are so many ways to make money on TikTok, which I have not mentioned on this particular video. So if you are interested in learning other ways apart from the ones that I've mentioned on today's episode, then comment below. I'll do a part 2, which is a follow-up on this one. I hope you found these tips on making money on TikTok helpful and inspiring. Remember, success on TikTok takes time, effort, consistency, and a bit of a strategy. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to increase your social media presence and on tips of making money online.